Beautiful, beautiful queens, for this long anticipated and like waited anticipating a hair tutorial. So many of you guys have asked me about like what I put in my hair, but these curls, you guys, will hold for like, I'm not kidding you. And my hair, if I curl with a normal like wand, it'll like come out within like 20 minutes later. But this wand in particular, or like these kind of wands, my hair will stay like this and look fallen out and so pretty for like 3 days or 4 days afterwards. I'm so excited to bring this video to you guys. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My channel isn't really like beauty based. This is an often like daily look for me whenever I'm doing anything, like if I'm going out, if I'm taking content, like whatever it may be, like this is my go-to hair. And the biggest reason for it is because it will stay for literally like 3 days later. So I'm gonna tell you guys the secrets to like what I put in my hair and all that stuff. And you will be surprised how simple it really is. I have a very lifestyle, like fit, healthy vlog-based channel. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this. If you are new to my channel, welcome so much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a part of the Noel fam. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the thumbs up, especially if you want to see more videos like this. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So before we jump into the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys like what I put in my hair and stuff like that. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I take a hair, skin, and nail vitamin pretty much like every other day or every other day. But like in the long run, you know, I'm doing all I can to prevent the balding, because balding runs in my family, okay? That's truth. I do not put anything else in my hair. I think that what might really help if you're somebody where even a wand type of a curler is not going to be helpful to you, like as far as like your hair just falls out no matter what you do. But I would recommend putting in hairspray, obviously, if your hair just like does not hold for the life of you. Not sponsored at all. This is Treseme's heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit, because I do like 450 pretty much. Heat tamer leave-in spray. So you just spray this in your hair before, and it does make your hair obviously a little damp. I'm just like, I get it all up in there, you know, spray my face with it. No, I'm just kidding. So yes, so this is what I used before, and then obviously it makes your hair damp, so like let it air dry. Like 20 bucks from Target. And I know that I need to get a better quality one because I don't think that this one is personally the best for my hair, but I'm just showing you guys what I have. So I have the Remington curling wand, and it's from Target. Then for my straightener, because I'll straighten the top of my hair first, I like it to be flat and then it's just to be curled, like slick down to my head, and then, you know, my curls be banging. My curls be banging. You guys are familiar with Hot Tools. Hot Tools is, it was suggested, this is a ceramic one too. It's very light, like super just like compact. You could just throw it in your bag and you on your way, girl. Hot Tools, obviously the more quality you get, the more expensive it's gonna get with anything. But I think eventually I wanna get a wand that is Hot Tools because I really, really like this brand. So that is literally the 3 things that I use to make my hair look like this. That's it. And hair, skin, and nails.
Alrighty, queens, so how I first start off is I go ahead and I split my hair into 2 sections, and then I start curling the bottom part. Sometimes I'll straighten it at first, just like the top, or sometimes I'll do it after. So as you see, I grab my piece of hair and I'll curl it like going inward, if that makes sense. Not outward, but inward, because you want the curls to be curling back in a spiral to get the look that I always have. Then depending on how thick the piece of hair is, I'll let it curl from anywhere from 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Sometimes I'll curl it in big chunks and then I'll just like kind of run my fingers through it, but sometimes I'll grab more individual thinner pieces of hair, if that makes sense. Like this one right here, I'll do a ton of little ones and then run my fingers through it afterwards as well. Absolutely love how these curls come out looking so bouncy. Then starting on the other side, again making sure that I'm putting my hair, curling the curls inward. Then I go ahead and section another section off from the top part. so obsessed with how these curls come out, hence why you always see me with this hairdo. I genuinely don't even think that I will ever really revert back to using a normal curler, just because I love how wand curlers will really genuinely hold these curls in, like I was telling you guys, for like 3 to 4 days afterwards, which is amazing. And it is just as simple as that, finishing up on these few strands. Afterwards, my hair will be, as you'll see it's going to be like a lot of tighter curls. If I know it's going to be a long day ahead, I'll just leave them like that, and I won't really run my fingers through the curls, because I know that it'll naturally fall out by itself so beautifully. And that's all there is to it, you guys. It's super simple. If you're somebody where your hair just does not hold, I'd obviously suggest spraying in some hairspray, but that is my go-to hair routine. I hope that you enjoyed it. Again, you guys, if you have any questions, please drop them below in the comment section. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to see me in the next video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Mwah!